Mr. Lonely, I have nobody for my own.
I woke up in the middle of the night and I noticed my guy wasn't by my side. Could've sworn I was dreaming for him, I was fiending, so I had to take a little ride. Backtracking down to these few years, trying to figure out what I do to make it go bad. Cause ever since my boy left me, my whole life came crashing and I'm so lonely, so lonely, Mr. Lonely, Mr. Lonely. I have nobody for my own. So lonely, I have nobody, baby. So lonely, so lonely, so lonely, Mr. Lonely. Can't believe I had a boy like you and I just let you walk right out of my life. After all I put you through, you still stuck around and stayed by my side. What really hurt me is I broke your heart, baby. You were a good guy and I had no right. I really wanna make things right, cause without you in my life, boy, I'm so lonely, so lonely, Mr. Lonely, Mr. Lonely. I have nobody for my own. So lonely,
I'm Mr. Lonely,
Mr. Lonely.
I have nobody
For my
for my own.
own. So lonely,
Mr. Lonely,
Mr. Lonely.
I have nobody
For my own. Never thought that I'd be alone. Never thought that you'd be gone this long. I just want you to call my phone. Stop playing, boy, and come on home. Baby boy, I didn't mean to shout. I want you and me to work it out. I never wish that I would hurt